Hi. To start with the recipe, first, pour the 180 milliliters of double cream and 180 milliliters of whole milk into a saucepan and heat them over medium heat. Keep an eye on the edges of the pan. You'll know it's at the perfect temperature when you see small bubbles starting to form around the perimeter, but don't let it come to a full boil. In a separate bowl, we're going to create our custard base by combining 4 large egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 3 tablespoons of castor sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth and has a pale yellow color. This is what's going to give our custard that rich, velvety texture we're looking for. Now comes a crucial step. We need to slowly pour our hot cream mixture into the egg mixture. This process is called tempering, and it's important to do it gradually while whisking constantly. If you pour too quickly, you'll end up with scrambled eggs instead of custard. You'll know you're doing it right when the mixture becomes smooth and slightly thickened. Return the entire mixture to your saucepan and place it back over medium heat. This is where the magic happens. Keep stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or silicone spatula. You'll notice the custard starting to thicken after about 5 to 7 minutes. The key checkpoint here is when it coats the back of your spoon and you can draw a line through it with your finger that holds its shape. If you're using the optional butter, now's the time to add those 2 tablespoons. Stir it in until it's completely melted and incorporated into the custard. The butter adds an extra silky smoothness to the final product, but your custard will still be delicious without it. Pour your finished custard into a clean bowl. Make sure to strain it if you notice any lumps. Here's a crucial step to prevent a skin from forming. Press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. This creates a barrier that stops that dreaded custard skin from developing. The final step is to let your custard chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. You'll know it's ready when it's completely cold and has thickened to a beautiful, spoonable consistency. The custard will continue to thicken as it cools, so don't worry if it seems a bit loose when you first refrigerate it. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.